The First Alert dual sensor smoke and fire alarm with 10-year sealed battery helps to provide you with the earliest warning possible for both fast flaming and slow smoldering fires. Did you know that 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms? Or that a fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in the United States? Smoke alarms provide early warnings in the event of an emergency inside the home. This alarm is equipped with dual sensors that detect different types of fires. The ionization sensor detects fast-flaming fires such as those caused by paper, kitchen grease, and other combusting materials, while the photoelectric sensor detects slow smoldering fires such as those caused by unextinguished cigarettes. Did you know the #1 cause for disabling smoke alarms is due to nuisance alarms? The smart sensor helps to minimize false alarms such as those caused by cooking smoke or steam, using intelligent sensing technology to distinguish between real fires and nuisances. This alarm comes equipped with Optipath 360 technology, which enhances the alarm's detection ability by providing the sensor with 360 degrees of access to the layer of air around the ceiling. This allows the sensor to detect smoke, combustion particles, volatile components, and other fire signatures in the surrounding air more easily. The alarm itself has a built-in 10-year sealed lithium battery that provides the alarm with continuous power for the life of the detector. The battery power requires no wiring and no electrician to install. Simply mount it on a wall or ceiling using the versatile twist-lock mounting bracket. The perfect mounting bracket keeps the alarm secure over a wide rotation range to allow for perfect alignment and includes tamper-resistant locking pins. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing a smoke alarm? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home, including the basement, and in every bedroom. It is recommended to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet from appliances such as furnaces and ovens, as these produce combustion particles. It is best to place the smoke alarm on the ceiling as close to the center of the room as possible, and minimally 4 inches away from any corners, as these are dead air spaces. If you're placing it on a sidewall, this is also acceptable. Keep the 4-inch minimum distance from the corner where the wall meets the ceiling, but also keep it within a 12-inch maximum from the ceiling. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.